Hi, it's Dan with EUJUICERS.COM, and in this video I'm going to show you a recipe for an all-natural juice-based energy drink. Now this is designed for long-term, slow amounts of energy. Not like an energy drink you buy in the store. You know, they have sugar, high fructose corn syrup, a lot of caffeine. Those are designed for a quick spike of energy, usually followed by a crash. You know, imagine holding a match to a piece of paper. It burns up bright, but then just as quickly goes out. This is more like taking that same match and lighting a candle, and it's going to give you a longer, extended period of lower levels of energy. Now, what's in the recipe? The star of the show is right here, the lowly beet. Some people don't like the flavor of beet juice, but it's one of the most powerful types of produce that you can juice. That's because it's loaded with nitrates. These nitrates have been found in sports medicine studies to increase the bioavailability of oxygen in the blood. That means more oxygen can get to the muscles, more oxygen can get to the brain, leaving you feeling more alert, and also not stronger, but instead this gives you more endurance, a longer time until fatigue sets in. That's why beet juice is probably the most popular juice among endurance athletes like runners and cyclists. The rest of the ingredients here, these are kind of supporting ingredients, kind of creating a synergy, all together increasing the effectiveness of the beet juice. Starting out here with carrots. Carrots are going to add liquid to the juice because you don't want pure beet juice. It's just too strong to drink on its own. So this will add more juice and liquid. It'll add natural sweeteners, natural sugars, which give you energy. Also, it adds soluble fiber. You know, in all of these, especially these two guys here, there's two types of fiber. Soluble, that means it dissolves into the juice itself, and then insoluble, that's the pulp that'll come out. What the soluble fiber does is it slows down the body's absorption of the natural sugars in the produce. So instead of getting that quick hit like you would in an energy drink, you get a slower, sustained, smaller amounts of natural sugars going into your system. And that's the same thing with the apples here. They're providing juice, they're providing natural sweetness, and they're also providing that insoluble fiber. In this case, it's called pectin. And I'm using Granny Smith apples, in my opinion, the best apples for juicing. That's because they're firm, they're juicy, and they also have a lower sugar content, lower on the glycemic index. That's why if you bite into a Granny Smith, it's more tart than sweet. Then finally, I have two ingredients here. I have lemons and I have ginger, and both of these ingredients are kind of doing the same thing. What the lemon's doing, yeah, it's adding a little bit of juice, but it's also adding ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and that's a natural preservative. And what that's going to do is keep the juice tasting fresh longer. It's also going to give that kind of brighter taste to balance the earthy flavor of the beets. The other thing that lemon does, it's been found to increase the absorption of the nitrates in the beets into your body. So it's adding to the overall effectiveness. And the last ingredient here is ginger. And I've cut it up into little pieces, which you'll want to do in any juicer. Ginger needs to be juiced in smaller sizes to keep it from clogging the juicer. Ginger's kind of doing the same thing, digestive system support. It's not increasing the absorption so much as it's calming and relaxing the stomach, the intestines, to let you take on this strong juice more effectively. And of course, ginger's adding to that flavor. It's adding that distinctive spicy flavor. So when you take that first drink, you get that nice kick, that nice shot. So what's the actual recipe? What are the quantities? Well, if you're starting out, you want to go easy on the beets because they're so powerful. That means in your first recipe, if you're making juice for one person, start with one medium beet, maybe two smaller beets. I've got two medium beets in here. With the carrots, you can kind of go according to how much juice, how much liquid you want to add there. I would say at least 3 carrots per medium beet. I've got about 6, 7 carrots here. I'll see how it goes while I'm juicing. With the apples, you'll want per medium beet 1 apple. So in this case, I've got 2, maybe even 2 apples per medium beet. And then 1 lemon should be enough, and ginger according to taste. You just cut it down to the size you want. If you like the flavor of ginger, of course, add a little more there. In terms of tips for juicing these ingredients, you'll either want to peel the beets and carrots and the ginger or scrub them really well. I peeled them, it's just a little easier. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. And in terms of the order of ingredients, sometimes it's not important, but anytime I'm juicing apples and I have lemon in the recipe, I like to juice the lemon first because apples are the first type of juice that'll oxidize a little. They might turn a little bit brown. If you juice the lemon first, then the apple juice is going into that lemon, staying real clear, real well preserved. And then I follow up with the carrots, the beets, and then the ginger. And I like to save one carrot for the very end because a carrot acts as a natural cleaner. It'll clean out that juice screen and it'll flush out any bits of ginger that might be stuck in there. And also it'll make cleaning a little easier. So that's the recipe. Let's get started. So it's all done. That took about 5 minutes. Let's see if I can pour it in without spilling here. This glass, oh, I managed to spill a little here. This glass holds about 500 milliliters. At this line, really about 600. So I don't think I'll drink the whole thing, but let's try it out. Yeah, I'd say the strongest flavor in there is the beets, of course, but it's pretty mild. And you know, a lot of people don't like the flavor of beet juice, but you get used to it and you actually start to enjoy it. But it's really well balanced with the carrots, with the apples, and especially I taste the ginger there, so that's quite good. So if you have any recipes you like to use for natural energy, please let me know. Write it in the comments. I'm sure other people would like to see it as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Dan with EUJUICERS.COM, and I'll see you next time.